Initially, when animations started with paper, people had a perception that it was restricted to only drawing and cartoons. As the industry matured with computers being introduced, the perception changed to flashy, photorealistic or cartoonish productions for web games, movies, video games. Today, animation has convinced professionals from various fields that it should not be restricted to a skill set but should be used as a medium of expression or communication. For instance, when you use animation in education, it can be used to explain theory and concepts to students in a more convincing manner. Let us take a look at some industries which use animation, but are not related to the media and entertainment sectors. First one, architectural animation is a short architectural movie created on a computer. A computer-generated building is created along with landscaping and sometimes moving people and vehicles. The second one is in mechanical animation. Using computer modeling and animation to create virtual models of products and mechanical designs can save companies thousands to millions of dollars, by cutting down on development costs. Working in a virtual world can let developers eliminate a lot of problems that would normally require extensive physical test models and experimentation. The third one is in education. Animation has recently become a popular tool in classroom teaching and learning. The book, Learning with Animation, notes that the use of animation can actually increase interest and motivation in learning. Many companies and production houses have started producing training content in the form of animation. As the training and education industry is massive and the content delivered is huge, there is a great demand for content taught with the help of animation. Similarly, animation is also used in various other industries. The scope of a career after doing an animation course is therefore unlimited. With the right skill and training, you can hold a creative job in any industry today.